I've issued a statement myself on the importance of this day, the 27th day of August 2027, because 16 years of devolution, for example. Is this president and this administration committed to devolution? When I co-chaired the NADCO committee, we recommended, for example, that even as we speak, counties should be getting not less than 20%, all right, of the shared revenue, up from 15%. Of course, some of us hold the view we'll give this a very serious matter consideration, and we propose 35%, from 15% to 35% of shared revenue, so that we can develop every part of this country. So these ones are giving lip service. And one of the things I've said is we have to give Constitution Day the greater significance than going to KICC and issuing a statement.